There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2021 Dodge Charger SXT in pitch black. With bifunction HID projector headlamps, gloss black grille with gloss black crosshairs, 17-inch aluminum wheels, dual bright exhaust tips, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 64,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, remote start system, heated second row seats, power sunroof, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D7113.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.